If you're struggling with your exams and have no sense of direction, have little time to study, or have a deadline that overwhelms you, then you have made the right choice. You will be provided with a comprehensive course that breaks down an effective framework of study, traceability, and recall that will give you the skills, techniques, and strategies necessary to prepare successfully. This study system can be used for any type of exam, whether it's a standardized test for college admissions, an IT certification exam, a language proficiency test, or any other specific exam related to your university studies. This course has been designed to optimize your study time and build confidence with the knowledge associated with the exam. To start, it's important to gain a thorough understanding of the exam itself, including its sources of information and the selection of practice questions. Next, you should identify the different styles of questions, the types of errors that commonly appear, and the spaced practice approaches that work best for you based on your experience with each question's level of difficulty. Lastly, you will analyze data and graphs, such as the forgetting curve, to find patterns and insights from customizable performance indicators will allow you to genuinely identify where you are failing and how to reduce errors. We've provided all the necessary templates, formulas, tips and tricks, productivity tools, and bonus materials to help you reach your full potential and enjoy a seamless studying experience. We understand that exam preparation can be time-consuming and stressful, which is why our goal is to offer guidance, support, and familiarity to help you stay on track and achieve your desired results.